Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you now how to fix corrupted video file using VLC file media without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video here is unplayable video, which means that the video file is being corrupt. So if I click on the video file and press enter, you find out that the video is not going to be played just like so. Now, if you have a kind of video like this, there is a way you can restore or fix the problem and make the video play back. And that is where we want to use VLC Media Player to fix this particular problem right here. So let's get started. The next thing you want to do right here, you will notice that the video was not played, and then you have a blank VLC Media Player right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to media from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on convert/save. Go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on add. And then you want to make sure you locate the particular video file that is being corrupted. So I have the video file right here in this folder. I will just go ahead and then go straight to the video. And then this is the video right here. Select on the video and hit OK. And then you have the video right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on convert/save, and it's going to take you right here. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here, and then you make sure make sure you check on video H.264 plus MP3 and MP4. Make sure this is checked. And the next thing you want to do is to click on this setting icon from the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to edit the video encoding and the file format. Right here, you have a MP4 or MOV file. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to video code. So right here, you have to make sure you choose your video code right here. So click on code, and then you need to make sure you choose MP4 right here. And then make sure you keep original video track. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to audio code. So under the audio code, you can click on here and choose the audio file format. I think MP3 is still okay. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here, click on save, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to browse your destinated file. Then for that, go ahead and click on browse right here. Then you want to make sure you redirect the video to another file folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select desktop. And I will go ahead and redirect this file to, or better still, I'm going to save in the same file folder, which is this one right here. So I'm going to name this fixed file. I'm going to close the bracket, and then make sure the container is MP4. Hit on save right here. Then go ahead and click on start. Then you have the file right here, just like side by side, as you can see it right here. So from the media player right, if the problem did not solve and then you did not get your file recovery back, the next thing you want to do is to opt in for online file recovery. So for that, go ahead and open up your browser. And then you want to make sure you come to your address bar right here and go ahead and type in stellar info.com, and go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to take you to this particular website right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and then make sure you navigate to Stellar Repair for Video right here. Click on these options right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead, and you can see DIY video repair to repair corrupt or unplayable MP4, MOV, AVI. These are the kind of file formats that you can repair on this particular website right here, and it is all for free. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. And read detail. Okay, now you can do it online or get their app. So if you want to do it online, simply scroll down right here until you get to the bottom of the site. And then what you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to repair services. So once you click on repair services, it's take you right here. Go ahead and click on video repair, and it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and upload the broken video into the website. Once you upload a broken video, then you follow the prompt, and then your video should be back fully without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.